Hello, Good News AI friends. I'm Max, your lead news anchor, and today we're shining a spotlight on solar power superstars, you, me, and kids around the world helping our planet one ray at a time.
I'm Luna, your science co-host, ready to explore incredible renewable energy breakthroughs of 2025. Eshe, are you with us?
Absolutely, Luna. I'm Eshe, your good news correspondent, and I've got heartwarming stories of young climate activists making waves at youth summits worldwide.
Did you know wind and solar now generate more than a third of Brazil's electricity? That's right! This sunny nation is harnessing breezes and sunshine to power homes, schools, and playgrounds across the country.
And it's not just big farms. Communities are installing rooftop solar panels and mini wind turbines, which means clean energy is truly everywhere. Check this out! Floating solar farms! They're like lily pads on water, keeping panels cool so they work even better. Plus, they don't take up farmland. Win-win!
Cool fact. Cooler panels are more efficient, so floating farms can produce up to 10% more energy than land-based ones. That's science meeting innovation. Ready for a fun experiment? Let's light up an LED using the sun. You'll need a tiny solar cell, an LED, and a sunny spot. Place the cell under direct sunlight. Connect the LED's wires to the cell's contacts. Watch it glow just like magic powered by the sun.
Brilliant! Try shading part of the cell with your hand to see how less light means less power. It's a great way to understand how solar panels work. From Nairobi to New Delhi, young activists aged 10 to 16 are sharing solar-powered inventions, lobbying for clean energy policies, and inspiring world leaders.
I built a solar cooker for my community. It uses discarded aluminum trays and glass, no electricity needed.
Our school installed solar panels on the roof. We even got to track real-time energy data in our science class.
Every small action counts. You can start by turning off lights when you leave a room.
Ask your family about clean energy options, maybe even build a solar charger for your gadgets.
And share your ideas at school, online, or with friends. Your voice matters.
What will you invent next? Let us know in the comments and keep shining bright. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more good news.